What's that noise?
I don't know. Hey, welcome to Horse Retirement Adventures. I'm at Chris and Tammy's house. We just had some marvelous, oh, gotta show you. Marvelous blueberry biscuits, homemade, and some biscuits. Look at those. I just had some of that. I had that and that. That's what I get for coming over here. I get the best food ever. Tammy made it, not Chris, so you know it's good. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to, they got this problem with this head right here. And then that as well. When you pick that up, you know the water's supposed to come right out of there. And no, it doesn't do that. So Chris, leave. Okay, so I'm gonna replace, I'm first gonna see what's going on. I got a great feeling, good feeling that it's in here, because usually these things are clogged. And if that's clogged, that thing will keep popping off. That right there will keep popping off. If that's clogged, that'll pop off. That's what I'm going to try first and see if we can fix it. Pull out. It's got like a little piece behind the head where the head floats back and forth like that. I'm going to try and first take that off. These are water pump pliers. There we go. Hopefully what I see is a clogged screen in here. What you don't want to see is like a mouse or something. That would be incredible. It don't look like it's clogged, but that don't mean anything. What I'm going to do is I'm going to shut or turn the water on and hit that up. If we have flow coming out of here, then we know that this is clogged up. Okay? It's easy troubleshooting 101. So let's just turn some water on. Is that what I've been doing the whole time?
Bite him, Happy.
Is that
his leg. His leg's over here.
What's up? Here I am.
Get him.
Happy bit me earlier. When I say Happy, I mean the white one. I don't know what that's for. I've never seen that. I've never seen this before.
It's is it plumber's?
Oh, that's what it is. It's a small thing of plumber's tape.
Wow, even Chris could figure
Woo!
that one out.
I'm gonna have to edit that. But that right now, that's gonna be edited.
Okay.
Okay.
Here we go.
That goes in there. You know how that goes?
Yeah.
But that doesn't. This actually goes in there. They have got a very fancy unit.
Super expensive.
Super duper. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually go ahead and use this little plumber's tape that they have with it. I brought my own, but I'm gonna use this because how cute is it, right?
As well.
Okay. Plumber's tape, you want to put it on where it tightens instead of loosens. So you want this tape to go the same way when you tighten it so it doesn't fall off.
Gotcha.
Happy? Am I in your way?
Okay, sorry, Happy.
So you just want to put it on and wrap it just like this. Pretty easy stuff. Then you want to pull it nice and tight.
Righty-tighty.
Yep, just like that. You see how easy that is? Okay, now what I want to do is put this on. Okay. Bath mat. That is a dangerous bath. I thought bath mat's supposed to keep you from falling.
Not mine. Mine are. Screw it right on there, huh?
Mm-hmm. Huh. You really, because these are not metal, you want to hand tighten it.
Okay.
Now, if this starts to leak, what you want to do is put a piece of cloth over that and use your water pump pliers. But I don't know if it's going to leak. Okay, that's that. Now what we're going to do is hook this hose up right here. Use plumber's tape again. Righty-tighty. Okay. It's real thin stuff, and it's kind of hard to work with. But if you're a professional like I am,
Yes.
it's still hard.
It's be a real problem.
Yeah.
You know what's bad is this is what Tammy told me to do to start with. Is just put in a new shower head.
Oh, really?
And I was like, well, the inspector on that inspection said that the transfer roll and the blinker fluid was not blinking.
He's right about that transfer valve right there. Is a little, but, and I like I said, I bought this whole mechanism.
Right.
But it doesn't. It's not chrome. It's nickel plated, so it wouldn't match. Okay. Again, I'm gonna put a little plumber's tape on here.
But my point is, I should have just followed directions of my supervisor.
Pretty much.
Immediately.
Okay. Stuff's pretty light.
Is that not as good as normal plumber's tape?
No, it's just that's how plumber's tape is.
All plumber's tape.
It's all nice and light.
Yeah. And it is super strong.
It sticks on your finger. On your
Yeah.
It's a lot better than regular putty, though. See how easy that is to put on?
I know. I was thinking.
It's a piece of cake. And once you wrap it on itself, then it sticks much better. Once you get that full line going, there you go. Now it fits better. Sticks everywhere. Put that on this. Hand tighten. Look at how that goes on. I like the way that goes.
Show them that again. They couldn't see it because I was.
Uh-oh.
Now we've.
Oh, there's got to be a button release.
Oh, man.
Woo! Almost tore that apart.
Yeah.
Look at that. Watch.
Look at that.
Now, if you need to, you just hit the little button.
Yeah.
Boop.
Yeah.
You know, that's how you use it.
Yeah. That's not how what I do.
It doesn't.
No.
Oh, wow, that's a lot of pressure. Ooh, doggy. Look at that.
That's why I don't have any hair. Pressure like that. Pressure like that.
Okay, what I do is I check my joints, and I have no leaks because I use the plumber tape.
Okay.
That's it. That's how easy it is, folks. And it's fixed. If you like it, hit the thumbs up, comment. Most important, subscribe.
Yes.
Okay, Paul out. Thanks for watching.
All right.
Look at the size of that redfish. Whew. Look at that. It's gonna be hard to fillet. He's got 3 dives. That's pretty good. See you, buddy. We're fishing off of Chris's pier, community pier. He's coming on up here and we're gonna fish by these rocks. I just caught 2 redfish. They're both about 8 inches, but you know what? That's okay. Fish is a fish, right?
Correct.
Correct. Pull out.
2 handles.
Chris got him a redfish.
Oh my Lord, let's throw that everything on the ground. These guys are eating, these little dudes, their little bellies. You can just feel stuff in there.
Yeah.
You can feel live bait jumping around in his tummy.
Oh! I don't know what that was, but I think it was a sheep's head. Get it. Okay. Chris said to get it, so I got to get a sheep's head. Okay. Pull out.
He goes again.
Red! They're not very big. They're like sardines. I mean, they look big when they're close to the camera. Look how he poses. He's a poser. That was a good dive. I'm going to give that one like a 8.9. It was perfect. A little splash when he went in, but nothing too bad. Pull out. Woo! What is that? It's not, is it? No.
Croaker.
Croaker. Giant croaker. That's what Chris says. Chris all worried about his pole getting thrown in the water. He's got a dot on him, but he's just a croaker. I don't hear him. Oh! He just slapped me in the face. Chris is laughing because that fish smacked me in the eye. In the ear, actually. That's okay. Those croakers cannot be trusted. Paul out.